It was my birthday not long ago and David got me the ELVIS mic. We're gonna open the box and test it out. I'm not expecting it to sound super good, but it's been a childhood fantasy. This is very exciting. Oops, 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 oops. It's the 55SH2. Oh, there it is. Nice. Let's go test it out.
It's pretty hefty. It's a very hefty mic. I thought it was plastic, but this is actually brushed metal. So I'm gonna turn it off. Always very safe when you plug a new thing in. Let's plug it in. I have to screw it to the mic stand first. So we're gonna plug it in. Now it's the ultimate test. We're gonna switch it on. It always helps to put some volume in. Oh yeah.
This is my view. This is the on and off switch, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this is so nice.
Every time I see you, you're getting younger until there's nothing left. It's really good. I'm impressed. I thought it would sound old-timey and like honky, but it sounds lush, very nice and bright. It has a good reception range. Like it closes off like this, but it has a good range, so you don't have to be like super close mic'd. Singing in this mic makes it a very, very cool experience. And you can cradle it like that to make the ladies go wild.
The ladies are gonna go wild. Thank you so much for my gift.
I love you. Elvis dog.
You're next.